Hi everyone, my name is Eric Teskey with the Office of Health and Wellness Promotion, and I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use our tobacco environmental scan. It's a way that you can volunteer to actually get some service hours if you're looking for volunteer hours with a class project or student organization or something like that, while doing an environmental scan of the campus looking for tobacco use, cigarette smoking, and cigarette litter on the ground. So let's get started. You pull up the link that we have displayed below. And first thing you're going to do is enter your contact information. That's the way that we can follow up with you if we have more questions or if some of the things that you submitted were incomplete or confusing. You type in the location, the best description that you have of it. It can be, the west entrance of a building. It could be a section of Taylor Courtyard. Just describe it as best you can. You can also upload a photo of the location. And what you can do there is to actually just click on that gray box, take a photo or a video. Now I'm just at my desk here, so my photo's of my desk and not of a location. So use that photo and it actually uploads it to the form, attaches it so we know exactly what part of campus you are reporting on for the environmental scan. Next up is the important survey questions. You want to be spending about 10 minutes in each location doing your scan. So kind of pacing around a little bit, observing and counting how many of each different activities that you see. So were people smoking in the area? Let's say, yeah, actually I saw some people smoking in the area. So I'll say yes. How many of them? In a 10-minute period, I saw maybe just 5 or 6 people smoking. Are there cigarette butts visible on the ground or in receptacles? I'll say, yeah, I was looking around on the ground. I was trying to kind of count them up, and I saw maybe, 12 cigarette butts on the ground where I was for the location that I'm reporting on. You'll complete the rest of the form just like that. At the bottom, you'll actually be able to attach a photo of cigarette or tobacco litter that you see. So if you see a bunch of cigarette butts or jewel pod cases, things like that, you can actually upload another photo that way. Take a photo, attaches it straight to the form, and then submit that to us so that we have a copy. We'll have a timestamp on the form so we know exactly when it was submitted, and you'll be helping us out because the campus is a big place to cover, and we want to try to document all the hot spots, all the problem areas that we can increase enforcement to make sure that people are complying with the policy. So that's the environmental scan. Give it a try and give us any feedback with the Office of Health and Wellness Promotion. Thanks a lot.